1, 2, 3, come on.
The first and the toppest secret that you'll never hear on YouTube and you'll never see anywhere else someone telling you this. This one's a big revolution. It's coming up. What about if I showed you a method on like Facebook that you going to pay you by just sharing and commenting and liking and engaging your people on such like an social media app that's going to pay you? This is a top secret. You'll never find it anywhere. It's the first one ever video on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and watch this video until to the end as I showed you this Leenkup social network that pays you. Leenkup uses cookies and ensures that the best experience ever. This one is a new social media network that's going to pay you. Share your moments with your family and friends, acquaintances, chat and make free audio and video calls for free. Sell your products here and share with your friends and so on. Let me show you how to make money on Leenkup. This is quite important if you are an affiliate marketer or you are someone who is looking to sell your products and share with your friends free of charge. Make ads and share widely. Now this is going to be very easy for you because I'm going to explain a little bit about Leenkup. It's just an app that's going to help you sell your products free of charge online. If you have a website and you want to find a platform where you can reach thousands of people with your affiliate links and affiliate website, that's going to open up more money and people are going to pay you through the same platform, no any other area, or maybe choosing another platform to pay you, but just through the same Leenkup. Now listen to me, get this right. You're going to get this Leenkup app on Android, or you can use your website, Google Leenkup, the one you see with the same logo here, and you'll be paid direct. Now this one is quite important. Whoever wants to market his site or your social media marketing, it's quite important, and you can like their page on Facebook. It's quite free of charge. This is the first time European social network that's allowing people to sell without pressure. Now watch this video until the end. I'll show you the strategy that I'm going to use to sell these products online step by step. If you ever thought about Facebook only, I'm telling you, you are wrong. Now this is a new site and a social media network called Leenkup. It's going to help you to earn more money and make your business thrive. What you'll do is sign up. The sign up process, as I said before in the earlier videos, quite simple. What you have to do, put in your email address, you sign up, and then you get your account ready and you start running up. Make your acquaintances with your guys, with your friends, and follow up everything. What you have to do, you can take your photo like Facebook, create a poll, or upload a video, and many more other social. Like you can even record. Quite amazing, an amazing thing. You can record your voice, you can add in your feelings, you can upload files and audio and upload an audio, and anyone can view, can listen to it. This is what you measure. You can use even hashtags and mentions to your friends and family. I want to show you a little bit about Leenkup. It's quite interesting, and as you can see here, this is my first ever post, and they're saying good afternoon, and this is an afternoon. Be light, dressed up and light and productive, and be happy. Okay, now let me show you how to post. As you can see, this is my account. It's very ready. You can find about popular posts. You can check around the groups, events, friends, blogs, articles, Leenkup market, products, my products, and then different forums, and then you can again explore. Then there are different categories here of Leenkup. You can save, like take for example, you can save on Leenkup Cloud, which has never been with Facebook. You can link Leenkup Watch or Leenkup TV, or create your own Leenkup TV where you can streamline or stream your products and your company's services wherever you want. Okay, now What happens is after you get your account ready, what you have to do, you come here and check your Leenkup coin. I'll share more light, especially I'm looking at important things that I want to explain to you very quickly that will make your profile stand out. And you see, we have the profile calculator. Mine is at 0. What you have to do is add your profile picture, your name, and your workplace. Add your country and your address. What happens is it will give you, it's just like any other website where you can upload your own things and make it like any other profile of Facebook. But this one, it has more uses and more activities added onto it. This is quite important. When you invite guys, you can write anything. What happens is you can write an article, you can upload your files, your products and everything. And when one buys, when one needs to buy it, he will come here and buy it through coins. I want to share with you these, and you will find it quite easy for you to navigate. It's an app. You can find it on Android or on Google Play Store or App Store for free. Let's look at now pages. What happens is I can create my page, of course, here. I can create one of my pages and get guys following up. Whatever I write here is, you can find it anywhere in the world, and it's then the next thing is I can upload my products. This has never been with Facebook. Facebook does not give you a guarantee to show your products and then link it to the marketplace. What happens is it does not allow that. What happens if you want to link it, you'll have to get it paid for. Now you see, these are some of the latest products that people are sharing. We offer business and personal loans. Someone has just added an ad there. Then we have African News Pay. $5 African News Pay. You can click on the link and see. And then we have Selling Depressed Feelings, pages 11, Affiliate Marketing, Wealth Formula, Upgrade. And if you want to get your landing page a lot of traffic, this is the place you need to be as an affiliate marketer. We have East Highway upgrading. This one is just I think it's a news. Advertise your business on social media free of charge. Is charging $20, $25. You can make to $10, $21. This one is being sold at is it more followers with $14. Different people are selling their own affiliate and sharing their affiliates here. What you have to do, create an account and make sure your profile stands out very well. You can also write on the blogs. If you have a blog, you can create here your blog and write articles here that are selling. What happens is get your selling point and build up a good article and post it here. When guys read it, and you can redirect them to your site. Maybe it can be a website or it can be a selling landing page that will convert to emails, and then the emails will be converted to leads, and leads, of course, and that is the sales you'll be making. Okay, at the same time with the Leenkup market, now this is what is quite interesting. Leenkup market, quite interesting. There are different categories, as you can see. The different categories are like, for example, auto vehicles, baby and children products. We have beauty products and services. We have computer peripherals, consumer electronics, dating services, financial, gift, and so many more. So what you have to do is choose your category. Have your business categorized in different categories listed here. So when you list your business here, what happens is you generate the traffic all along. Just post it there and leave it there. When guys will connect, you can connect and share. Like when you get more followers on board, take for example, you can create an ad for free, you can create a blog for free, create an event for free, have a group, and also create a page for free. So all these are just here for you. Let's go to our homepage and see some of the services given to us for free. Like, what amazes me is you can create a voice record. You see, what we do, click here and record yourself. Allow your phone microphone to record. Let's see if we can do something. Hello, it's recording immediately online. You don't have to add on anything else. If you want to sell products, you can stop there. If you want to sell products, come here and then add in your product. If it's vehicle, automotive, or computer peripherals, dating services, you can do that. Then quote the amount that you want. If it's a new or used item, you can create, then add a description. Don't forget to add your hashtags. When you add your hashtags, it will help you when people are searching such terms or keywords on the platform. It will be the logarithms of the website itself will push your product up enough for people to find it quickly or to pop up fast. I know most of you know or you understand how keywords work. And then you can also upload images. Whatever you do, you can upload an image, and this image is going to, you can publish it, of course, and then sell it at the amount you wish. Now, because we didn't complete our everything, you see, we have 4,999 shares every day. And this one, you can allow yourself to your followers or to the people you follow or to everyone or to yourself, and it also has its privacy. You don't have to worry about it. You can see most of these are posts that people have made, and let's check on these, the second icon, which tells us that now these are now the articles that people have shared. You see, when people share articles, make sure you connect with them by liking or comment or sharing the same item. What you have to do is, these are now videos. You see, these are now videos. We have also the audio file, the audio part. People who have shared their audios come here. Now you see, you can play and listen. Play, not yet, it's taking us. Play on the browser itself. You see, this is part of music that people have uploaded here, and their talent is being seen. So this is quite important to you if you're a musician or anything else. Let's check on another icon, what it all entails. Now this is the sales page where people upload their sales landing pages made in video form. So when someone listens or someone is converted, now you can share the backlink, and when someone clicks on the backlink, it directs him to your affiliate selling page. You have another option. Again, you can upload your documents or PDF format files that you need someone to look at. Maybe what's the special called spider core knife, take for example. Here's a little explanation about it. He said it has a lot of dedicated fans. They have built the fan base up by selecting some of the best steals around the subject, subjecting them to the ideal heat treatment. So these are some of the sales platform that you can get. Don't forget, like, take for example, what happens here, it gives you good the hashtags, the most trending hashtags on the platform itself. So Leenkup is one of the simple social networks that are coming up, and it's hot, it's fast, and you can get more traffic here when you use your marketing strategies very correct and very right. So what you have to do is sign up now. It's free of charge, and start making money online. What you have to do is, when you find your products, if you want to upload your products, now this is the last thing I want you to do. If you get your products and upload them here, take for example, you have to write the title, location, and where you are. So when you complete and publish, what happens is it will direct you now. How are people getting it? First of all, you'll go to your site, to your profile, and then you'll create some of the security links, and then you can check your transactions, and the balance or any transaction that maybe someone wanted to buy. Take for example, earn Leenkup coin by commenting. Now this is what it's quite amazing. Like I said before, if you want to earn more coins, what you have to do is earn 10 Leenkup coins by commenting. You'll have to comment daily, then you'll earn 15 Leenkup coins by creating a new post, then earn 5 Leenkup coins by reacting on any post. So what you have to do, stay active all the time. Leenkup coins, you can earn from 1,000 coin, one Leenkup coin, 1,000 Leenkup coin to $1. At the same time, you can earn Leenkup coins will automatically go to my earnings. So when you create to your earnings, you'll be directed here. What you have to do when you get the minimum, your balance is 0. The minimum withdrawal request is 50 euros, $50, yeah, 50 euros Leenkup coins, which amounts to that. And then when you request your withdrawal, the withdrawal amount will come here, and then you'll choose your withdrawal method, like now payment methods. Okay, now here is the another method of how to make money. This is now your bonus. This is another way of how to make money. Let me show you here. We have a design. Maybe you want to design, then the security profile. This one took us another style, another place. Yeah, you can complete your, now you can even share your website here. As you can see, this is a website where you can add in your website, your name, and then your relationship with the website, if you like that. And then when people click on this link and then you connect with them, they become your followers and you become their followers. Create your fan page and start making money and sales up. Besides Facebook and other social media like Instagram and Twitter, you can create this one as your sales page and start making money on Leenkup. What happens with Leenkup is it's quite elaborate and it gives you more options of the sales categories. Like take for example, if you're an affiliate marketer, this is the place where you need to be. So if you like this video and it's quite important to you and you find it's very positive and you want to join us, the link below on this description box, make sure you join Leenkup through that link, and let's connect and share on social media and find more products, more sales to you. Let's meet on another next video on how to make money online